Hello, in this video we will understand flow of capital in capital markets. We shall also understand why flow of capital is so important in a market economy. In any market economy, there is a set of people who have excess capital. For example, anybody who works, goes to office, or say a doctor, always has a certain amount of savings in his bank. Well, this is the excess capital which the person does not need immediately and is saving for future consumption. At the same time, there is a set of people or institutions who are in need of capital who would do productive work with the capital. So there needs to be a system where capital flows from those who have excess capital to those who need capital immediately. Capital markets provide this system. Investors are the people who have excess capital. Corporates, businesses, and governments are institutions who need capital from time to time. This flow of capital from investors to corporates is done via capital markets. Now, these investors are not going to provide capital to these institutions free of cost. They, of course, expect a return, and that's where financial instruments play their role. Corporates, businesses, and governments create financial instruments which promise a certain return, and investors buy those financial instruments and provide the capital to the corporates, businesses, and the government. This entire process via which the capital is flowing from the investors to the corporates is done via the primary market. Banks and financial institutions play the role of intermediaries. The kind of financial securities that are traded are either debt, equity, or a combination of the two. Now, once the investor has bought these financial securities, there needs to be a market where these investors will be able to trade these financial securities amongst themselves, and that's where the secondary market comes into the picture. What do you think is the role of banks in a market economy? Banks are facilitators of flow of capital from investors and depositors to governments and businesses. Banks take deposits from depositors. They pay the depositors a certain interest, and they make loans to the governments and businesses and earn a certain interest on that loan. The difference between interest earned and interest paid to depositors is the profit of the banks. Now, investment banks do a similar thing, but there is one crucial difference. They simply connect investors to government and businesses and take a fee out of the capital that is raised by governments and businesses. They directly do not take in the capital from the investors like traditional banks do. Now, why do you think flow of capital is so important in a market economy? This is because it is this capital which is the engine of growth, economic productivity, and economic activity. Corporates and businesses and governments, all of them need capital to be able to do something productive. So a capital market becomes very crucial because it is this market which helps corporates and businesses get the capital which otherwise would be lying idle. These investors who have excess capital would have nothing to do with this capital if there was no capital market. With this, we come to the end of Unit 2. Until then, goodbye.